Ever wondered what makes whey protein a must-have for fitness enthusiasts? Let's dive into its secrets fast. Jumping right in, whey protein is not just any supplement. It's a powerhouse derived from milk during the cheese-making process. Packed with essential amino acids, it's a top pick for athletes and health buffs alike. Let's break it down. Here's the scoop on whey protein. It comes in 3 main types: concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Each has its perks depending on your health goals. Concentrate is calorie-rich, isolate is lean and mean, and hydrolysate speeds up muscle recovery like no other. The perks: muscle recovery, weight management, and more. But don't overdo it. Too much can kick up issues like bloating or worse if you're lactose intolerant. Wondering how much you need? It's about 1.2 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of your body weight, but always double check with a nutrition pro to tailor it just right for you. Ready to power up your diet? Pick the whey that aligns with your goals, check those labels, and get mixing. Hungry for more? Dive deeper by checking out the full article linked below. Your ultimate guide to mastering whey protein? Jump on it and transform your health journey today.